What two gases produces acid rain? Now let's talk about it. That this, suppose there is an area which is fully rich with a lot of industries here. Okay. Now, what do the industries do? The industries will have chimneys and they will release some gases in the atmosphere, and those gases will be like, suppose there is nitrogen, there is sulfur, right? There is sulfur, and then there would be carbon as well. There is carbon dioxide. Now, what happened? Transpiration is taking place, the water cycle is running. So, from the clouds here, let's suppose it started precipitating. From the clouds, it started precipitating, and there is water present in the atmosphere as well. Now, what will happen? These gases, so these nitrogen, sulfur, carbon dioxide, all of these gases will react with the water, and then they will form their oxide. Okay, so here what will happen, like they will form their acids. They will form their acids. For example, N2 will form HNO3 nitric acid, sulfur will form H2SO4 sulfuric acid, CO2 will form H2CO3, which is a carbonic acid, and therefore they make the precipitation or the rainfall very much acidic, and this is known as acid rain. Now, there are a lot of disadvantages of acid rain, as it kills the marine life. It also causes monumental cancer. As the biggest example, as we have seen, is the Taj Mahal. The color of Taj Mahal was bright white, and now it has turned to yellow. Then we also can notice that it reduces the crop productivity, it reduces the productivity, and of course it actually also harms the crop as well. It harms the crop as well, as the water we are irrigating is the acidic. Okay, so here of course we can say that two gases which produces acid rain would be nitrogen and sulfur. Hence the correct answer is option A.